Hi, welcome to Launch Tabletop. This is Eris. Today we're going to be talking about what is Launch Lab. Launch Lab is a print-on-demand tabletop and board game manufacturing platform. Some of Launch Lab's key features include you can have multiple projects at once. You can see here I have 4. They can be in different stages of their development. So you might have some where you've got artwork and you're getting close to completion. You might have other ones where it's just an idea and you're trying to gauge the cost maybe of the components, and that might affect how you shape the design. With Launch Lab, you can have them all here and you don't need to work in a linear fashion, or you are not limited to just one at a time. Another component of that is you are able to create orders. If it's going to load. Oh, here we go. Yep. So you can have orders where you just select the projects that you want to have printed at that time. So you could choose as one, or you could have multiple. Now these are grayed out because I haven't got artwork in these files, in these projects. It's just samples I was working on. But if I had artwork in here, then I could select any that were all ready to go, and I could print just one of them, or I could print multiple of them and have them sent to anywhere in the world. That is another feature of Launch Lab. You can be anywhere and you can have your games shipped anywhere. So if you've got customers around the world, or if you've got different team members or different distributors, or anything, anywhere where you might need to send your games, you can do that. Launch Lab also includes a large variety of components. Now this list is comprehensive, but it is constantly being reassessed and will grow over time as we are able. For now, we can see that there is 4 types of game boxes, different types of rule sheets and rule books, cards, tokens. There's a whole lot of things, and I encourage you to explore it. So this allows you to really create a wide variety of game genres and options. So when you are in a component, you are also able to customize them. So here you can see this is some punch boards. This will allow you here to select your punch board token shape, and then we can go through here and I can say how many sheets I want. We have proper in-depth videos on how to add components. But you can see with a few clicks, I was able to quickly add that component to the punchboard token sheet. It'll generate some templates. So this is another feature of Launch Lab, is these templates that it provides will help you in making sure that your artwork is printed to the very best possible standards that it can be. So by following the templates and when you upload them, this will also provide a feedback on whether or not the files meet the requirements. So you can very quickly get an idea about if you need to change the artwork or fix something or anything like that. Again, this is all custom designed, and this system of validation is one of the main really positive features for Launch Lab, and it helps to improve the quality of the products that you make. So probably one of the other features of this is being a print-on-demand service. You can print any quantity from, and I just realized I won't be able to do it from this screen. I have to go back to my projects. So you can print any quantity from 1 to 1,000. So if I can just use this unit price estimator here, and then I can punch in, let's say I might want 20 copies of this game. And with all these components, this is telling me that it would be about $59, it would be exactly $59.85 per copy of the game. Now that is before shipping though, so probably that's why I said about, because when you include shipping, it will obviously change that price. Also here, this shows you that up to from 1 to 500, there is the different unit breakdowns in the different brackets. So if you had 6 to 10 copies, then for this particular game with these components, that would come to $71.68. But if I was ordering 300, then that'd be $29.02 each. So this gives you a bit of an idea. The main point is that you don't need to print hundreds. You can just print 1 or 10 or 15, whatever you want, up to about 1,000. After 1,000, we do mass production, which is the same as what you would get on any other mass-produced game. All right, I think I've covered pretty much everything right now. That is just the basics or the overview. If you have any questions, then please put them in the comments, and if you want me to explain any part in more detail, then we will make some videos. We already have some videos covering the steps to create projects and orders, so I encourage you to look at them. And yeah, hope you have a great day. All right, bye.